How to create a mind map in Clickup. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to projects here on the left side and then simply create a new project, a new list. Then what you're gonna have to do, so I'm gonna use this one here, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on view and then simply scroll down until you find the mind map. So simply click on that, and as you can see here, you can choose a structure, so you can use this with your task, or you can simply create a blank one. So I'm gonna go with task, and as you can see, I have the current project and the tasks, and I can add different as you can see here. So let's add the other task here, and as you can see, this is how you can create the mind map in ClickUp. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.